welcome back to another episode of
Remain Healthy.
Today's a very special episode. I have my son Benjamin Jones here today.
Hello?
It didn't take a lot of convincing at all, right, Ben?
Nope. She gave me Fortnite time.
Yeah, a little Fortnite time. On Remain Healthy, if you haven't joined us before, this is where we convert your favorite recipes into plant-based recipes, just swapping a few ingredients, making them healthier, making them plant-based, and trying to get you guys back in the kitchen, and that's where all the health starts. And just letting you know how super powerful all those replacement ingredients really are and how it can totally change your health around. How do you feel about health, Ben? Okay, but you want to save the animals at least, right?
Yeah, I would save the animals.
So today we're going to make, what are we going to make today, B?
French toast.
French
It's going to be pretty cool.
So this is a recipe that he had to do for his cooking class. So in 6th grade, during quarantine, he was actually taking a cooking class, and to my delight, he had to cook with me at home for a few lessons, and French toast was one of the recipes he got to make, and he did a really good job. So we're going to show you how easy it is to make, especially with your kids, whether they're tweens or younger. We can mix it together and create something super delicious that everybody's going to love.
Yep.
So normally this recipe calls for about 5 or 6 pieces of French toast. We like French toast in this family, so we're gonna double it. 2 cups of milk. The recipe I
soy milk
looked at called for coconut, but we have soy. So again, you can just kind of modify anything you want. We're gonna use this like square dish so that it's easy to dump in or dunk our bread into. And next, Benjamin, we're gonna do, I like to add a little bit of maple syrup just to sweeten it up. That's kind of my own touch. You can add it all over.
This is the first time you did it.
Well, it does because we made it last time and it looks good this time. And then, what's that, Ben? Do you know? Can you smell
Vanilla.
it? Vanilla. All right, so 2 teaspoons of vanilla. That really pumps up the flavor.
And
then,
what is this?
What
actually is that?
Flax seeds. Do you know what flax seeds give you? No. Omega-3s. Those are great for your brain, so you don't need to eat fish to get your omega-3s. Those are huge in health. They actually help lower your blood pressure if you eat a little bit every day. I know you're worried about that, right? And what's that, B?
Cinnamon.
Cinnamon. So a teaspoon of cinnamon, we do 2 teaspoons. So we just doubled everything. I use any kind of bread that I have. It says stale bread, which probably works a little bit better. But again,
whisk? Are we whisking it now?
A lot. Oh, you just like are really good. Way better. Yeah, a little faster and like little small circles. Good. Do you remember how to turn the oven on?
Wait, you didn't heat up the pan?
I forgot to heat up. There we go. Yep.
You want both sides of it? Yeah, it's taking forever.
Remember how to turn the oven on?
Wait, you didn't heat up the pan?
I forgot to heat up the pan.
Okay.
That's the wrong one. And go
So?
slow.
Yep.
Yes. For you with a non-stick pan, it should be okay. Just a tiny bit. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
There you go. All
I
right.
just want a little bit. They know what a spatula is. Yeah, it's taking forever.
Yeah. Gotcha.
I don't think that's it.
Good morning, liver, though.
Libby, you're getting the worst one. No. Yeah, the worst is the
Well, we're not
best,
done yet,
right?
I guess, but-
That's what I say.
Usually.
If one is ready, the other one is. That's
Yeah.
fine.
Is that your rule?
Yeah, that's my rule.
There's a lot of love and focus in this recipe here.
No.
The most important ingredient in the meal is love.
Oh.
Are you trying to remain healthy right now?
We are. Ben, how do you feel about cooking?
It's not one of my hobbies. Like, I play, like, sports and other.
A plus. Can you
A
take
minus.
Can you take my picture? Well, you don't clean up. I'm giving you an A minus.
Dude. I don't know what to say.
Talk to your people, B. Talk to them. Tell them what you feel about French toast.